Hi everyone, it's Johnny from Woodworking with 5 Tools. I'm gonna make a short video today and show you how to make the perfect holes for a cup hinge. Because normally this is like a big mystery in woodworking, even for me when I was a beginner, how to get these beautiful and perfectly leveled holes. Actually, it's not pretty complicated, it's pretty easy. You don't need any templates, you don't need like any CNC router. The only thing that you need is these two head tools. The first one is the router that we have here. You can take any router that you have. It doesn't have to be an expensive one. It can be a cheap one. They cost like $100 or something like this. And you need a normal drill. And that's all. You can do a perfect result. And I think it's gonna be as good as you do it with a CNC router. So let's start. Before we start, we need like it's maybe a third tool, but we need this router bit. This is a special router bit, this is a Forstner router bit, and you can't take a normal drill bit. It has to be a router bit. And what is also important, you need to set your speed on your router to like the lowest level. So for me it's 1 to 6, so I'm going for 1. First of all, we need to set our router. And we need 12 millimeters in depth. So it's always around 11 to 13 millimeters for these cup hinges. I want 12 millimeters. So what I'm doing, I'm setting my router. I put him into 0. Be careful about the tip that you have on your router, because most of these Forstner bits, they have a tip. So we don't need this for our setting. We just do it a little bit behind this tip. Mount it down. Then we're putting it to 0, and then we're doing 12 millimeters. Now I need my second hand. 12 millimeters, perfect. Set this down, and now we have in here 12 millimeters, perfectly easy. We just need one measurement. So the measurement that we need is like, I've already made some drawings in this door. I just need these 4 millimeters. This is the only measurement that I need for this method that we're doing. So now I take my parallel guide, I take my router, put this parallel guide in. And now, as you can come closer, I'll show you. We need 4 millimeters right here. We can take a small measurement. I think it's around 4 millimeters. What are we now doing? We have here, as you can see, our measurements. I made some small drawings, and what we're going to do, we are going to put the line, or we draw the line that we have in the middle, which is like the middle of our cup hinge hole. And we're going to draw this line much longer. Perfect. You can see this like little guide that every router has, and it's the middle of the router. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna find the middle, and we are seeing our line that we just draw. As we found the middle of our line, I'm taking just any clamp that you have, whatever clamp it is, and I put it in front of your router, and I mount it down. So, and this is my second guide. Perfect. We have made a hole for the cup hinge, the big hole, like 3.5 centimeters in diameter. What we now need to do, we need to drill these small holes. Clamp it down. Perfect. Second one. clamp it down. And now we take this beautiful door, which is oak, and we put it into our and if you did everything right, it will close perfectly. Yeah, that's it. As always, keep on woodworking. Bye bye.